Hey, what's going on? It's Dhiman here. Recently, WhatsApp rolled out a new feature called Avatars, which allows its users to create a customized avatar for their profile photo, or they can use from 36 custom stickers reflecting different emotions and actions. Let's see how to create them and how to use them. First of all, you have to update your WhatsApp. For that, open Play Store. Here look for WhatsApp. If you see an update button here, simply press that. After that, open it. Now from more options, go ahead to settings. Inside settings, here you will get to see a new option called avatar. From here, you can create a new avatar. Pressing the get started button will brings you to this toolbox. Now start creating your avatar. Choose your skin tone, hairstyle, hair color, face shape, outfit and other features. You can also try copying your facial features into your avatar. For that, you have to tap on this mirror icon. It will turn on the front camera box in which you will able to see yourself. You have to deeply customize your avatar. Even you can add a nose pin, facial hair and a bindi to your avatar. After adding all features, tap on done and WhatsApp will create your avatar for a personalized messaging experience. So our avatar is ready. Let's see how to use it as stickers. For that, we have to open a WhatsApp chat and bring up the sticker icon. You will find personalized stickers of your avatar including love, reaction, sad lifestyle and so on. Just scroll and find the avatar you want to send in the chat. Pro tip, you can also save your favorite avatar sticker for quick access. In case if you want to edit your avatar, you can do it anytime by tapping on the pen icon. You can change the outfit, makeup or style of your avatar as per your liking. Now let's see how we can set it as DP. For that, go to WhatsApp settings, open your profile photo and tap on edit. In this section, tap on use avatar and select the avatar face emotion with a suitable background. Once done, you can keep it as your profile photo. So that's it for this video. Leave your thoughts about WhatsApp avatars through comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.